Hey guys. Hey guys, we're at home. We're packing up for Nambour still, and this table here is full of stickers. Here we go. Me with my fucking net thing. Just bear with me. It doesn't work, Scooby. Fix it. Fucking choke me or something. See? It's fucked. Okay, he fixed it. I'm sorry. All right, so these are all stickers, and I don't really know anything about stickers. So these are basically 90s. Panini is mainly the stickers. These ones here are Tarzans, and we've got a lot. So what we're going to do is we're going to put these in bags, and Scooby is going to write Tarzan with his neatest writing on the bag. Those ones and those ones. Oh, they'll cut no, both lots in one bag. That doesn't say Tarzan on it.
It does that.
Oh.
It's very neat writing.
All right, so your job's to put them in the bags. I'm showing people the stickers. All right. Ooh, now they're cards. So cards we're going to do different. So stickers, robots. Remember the robots show? Again, Panini stickers. Stickers are harder to get because they're stickers. Remember that show? That's a good show. I like that. I've had 3 daughters, so I've watched a lot of bloody kid shows. I feel like I've been a parent forever. And I'm pretty happy that they're all over 18 now. So that's robots. Actually, if you give us I'll just put some bags and then you can just write them as you go, eh? Because otherwise it's going to take forever. And we want to show people the cards. We know what we're doing. We shouldn't buy little. That's your job. All right. Okay, what do we got here? Return of the Jedi. This is Star Wars. So I'm not counting them. Do you know what I mean? But, like, I mean, there's 3 of Jabba. And then there's 2 sets too. That's just Return of the Jedi. It's like a different sticker back. Oh. Yeah, but we're only putting $5 on each set. So, and some of the cards alone, or some of the stickers alone, are worth way more than that. So that's some Harry Potter. Harry Potter cards seem to make some money. They even grade these. I've even seen some graded ones. So that's some Harry Potter. Oh, this is wrestling. Some wrestling cards. I'll grab another bag. Oh, is this your bag, Scoop? No. We bought a pack of 100 bags today. So these are all wrestling cards. It's not cards, stickers. So we've also got a shitload of cards. Non-sports cards, basically. We've got some rugby cards and some cricket cards. But not a lot. So that's wrestling. These all are Disney's. And some of these were worth money too. Like, just single cards were worth money. Are these cards or stickers? I don't know if they're cards or stickers. We're doing them stickers. What we got here? I better help him a little bit. So that one's just Disney. We haven't got many Barbies. It's not really worth it with that many Barbies. So if I find, like, you know, some that there's not many of, right, well then I'll redo it. Oh. These are cool. These are Spider-Man, man. Look at these ones, Scoop.
Oh, that's cool.
They are cool. Little silver Spider-Man stickers. They are cool. So they're the stickers. They're probably a different, like, won't be numbered or something. A lot of them have letters. Yeah, see, A, B, C, D. Yeah. And then you got the plain normal cards. That's a good set there. Excuse me. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. So we got Spider-Man. Panini is the main of Italy. Never knew anything about that. Oh, here's some Cabbage Patch Pail. Cabbage Patch. I mean, Cabbage Pail Kids.
Garbage Pail.
Garbage Pail Kids. I know what I'm doing. People love Garbage Pail Kids. Because they're so freaky. That's cool. Look at that one.
Oh, yeah.
Vendo Matt. Kylie Tile. Oh, Kyle Tile. Run over Grover. Look at him. Miriam Migraine. Oh, God, we've had look at a few migraines that feels like that. Flabby Abby. Doughy Chloe. Oh, I know a Chloe is pretty friggin' doughy. Panini stickers. I don't know, these are Panini. No, they're not. They're a different brand. Merlin, I think those ones are. Look at me knowing all about stickers. You don't know anything. Oh, there's a lot of Mulan. Look at the freaking Mulans, mate. There are so many Mulans. But, oh, I mean, I could look how many there is. Maybe I should do 2 lots. Look how many Mulans there are, man. Look. What did I say? Mulan. Yeah. Look how many there is. And don't tell me that's not a bargain for $10. What are you reckon? People love stickers, don't you? Nobody wants your stickers, Gavin. X-Men. God, imagine how much annoyance you could give to people. You could just go around a shopping centre and stick Mulan stickers on every car in a Westfield. Don't do that. It's not the advice of the picking family. However, Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Right, what we got now? Incredibles. That's what people say about me. They don't say that about me. I like this show too, Incredibles. Did you watch Incredibles, Scooby?
Yeah. Probably one.
Yeah, I can't remember which kid liked it. Probably Jen, I suppose. Last 18 years has been Jen, isn't it? She went to uni today in her pyjamas. Scooby, she went in her pyjamas, mate. Just X-Men would have done, mate, but what are you right now? Sanctuary. That's good. This helps Scooby with his spelling.
I can't spell.
Because you can't spell. If you find that Superman one, I think they're all Superman too. So those could go in with the Supermans. Look how cool they are. So find your Superman one that can go in there. He's like, I don't know.
think it was Superman. That's Spider-Man.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I don't know what I'm talking about then. Well, these are another Star Wars. Attack of the Clones. So this is more modern, isn't it? This is Merlin as well. So the Panini ones seem to be earlier, not really early, but 96 sort of time, you know. There's your Star Wars. He was looking up how to spell the word return.
No, attack.
Attack. Oh, double T, mate. Attack. 101 Dalmatians. There's lots of the same ones, but I mean, who don't love a good sticker, mate? The kids will buy these at Nambour just to annoy their children. I mean, so to annoy their parents. Maybe not. So you still got Incredibles there, and you have 101 Dalmatians. I'm trying to give the ones with really long names. Oh, here's Superman. So there's Skybox, Panini. Is it Panini? Let's have a look. Let's look under my light here. Yeah, 1996 these are. Can you see that? Have I got that out hard enough? Probably not like that. Cool colours. So we're going to put them with those other little ones too. Those Supermans too. That's a good score, man. For $5, somebody's going to love them stickers. Anyone's into Panini stickers will be like, they're good. These guys know what they're doing. Well, they probably don't. This one just says Disney Principes. Sometimes it says Filipino, but it's not. Oh, princesses, is it? I don't know what I'm doing. And we're just throwing them all these bogs down here because we've been told it might rain at Nambour. Everything's going in a fucking bag. So that's just princesses or something. Oh, there's another Return of the Jedi. We might just do a mixed bag of little What are they? Monsters Inc. A lot of Aladdin. These are cool too. So that's a mixed bag. I've got a box somewhere with these ones in it. I don't know where that is. Because that's not enough to do anything. These are cool Power Rangers. They're like little, they're not stickers. Oh, they are. They're cutout sort of things. I really like these. But who didn't like Power Rangers, eh? Power Rangers, buddy. These are cool too. Dinosaurs. Remember the dinosaur show?
Disney dinosaurs?
Yeah, remember that guy?
Oh, yeah.
That was the daughter. Not the mama. There's dad. That's the mum or the daughter, I can't remember. Not the baby. So they're cool. So, Disney's Dinosaurs. Which was a cool show. If you never saw that, you missed out. And I think I looked them up. They were worth something, the Disney dinosaur ones. But we don't care. Because I cannot be bothered with such things. These ones here, which I'm putting in before even showing you. Yeah, oh, it's Little Mermaid. Oh, I wish I showed it. Little Mermaid stickers. Oh, she was a meanie in it, wasn't she? Little Mermaid. Oh shit, that one's down there too. What do we got now? I'm doing the bigger lots first, I suppose. What's this? This is Lady in the Tree. This is Snow White. There's a couple of types of Snow White in here. That's a big lot of Snow Whites. There's a shitload of them. We don't need to show you them. Everyone knows what Snow White is. There's a lot of them. There's a lot of them. Not so many collect cards anymore, I know. I mean stickers and non-baseball cards and stuff. But I mean some of these stickers are even grading. So, and these are never, you know, they're good. They're good. They're good. Trust us. We don't know what we're doing. All right, what else we got here? Hercules. A lot of Disney. Again, Panini. Now, I'm not counting them. They're not full sets. They're stickers, mate. But they're cool. Oh, look at that. That's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Snow White, you got that one there, and this one is Hercules. Guys, a lot in there. So I saw these were all bloody mixed too. I sorted them as best as I could. Is that more friggin' Aladdin? Yeah, that's Aladdin. He's Magic Carpet. Oh, that was a good one too. Remember them dudes? Again, Panini. There's a lot of them too, 2 sets. And we still haven't even done the cards. This is just the stickers. There's a few cards out here. But that's going to be another bloody video. Oh shit, this is Pooh Bear, which I didn't show you. I don't know what they are. They look like iron-on transfers. They're going in with Pooh Bear anyway. Oh, yeah. It's probably not even from Pooh Bear. But it's okay, because we know what we're doing. Okay. Okay, so Beauty and the Beast. Did we do an Incredibles already?
I think so.
All right, we're going to put Beauty and the Beast and Animals are going in together. Yeah, I'll put them in there. That's Beauty and the Beast and Animals. Oh, look at this little spelling error. It's mostly written in 20 years.